So June is the official start of iced tea season for us, and so I created a really beautiful iced tea this year called Renewal. And Renewal is part of the Tea and Taro box. If you buy the Tea and Taro box, you'll get the whole kit, which I'll show you in a sec. But I wanted to show you just a real quick way to make iced tea several different ways that is super simple and really, really easy and to the point. Okay, so all of our teas are loose leaf. Loose leaf is better for you, it's better for the environment, it's better quality, there's no waste to it. You take the used leaves, you throw them in the garden, everybody's happy. There's been no impact to the environment. It's great. So with Renewal, what I most love about this tea is not only is it a tea Kuan Yin oolong, which many of you may know now is my favorite oolong. Well, until I find my next favorite oolong, that's the thing with tea. But it's tea Kuan Yin oolong, and I blended organic peach extract into it, which really brings up the fruity floral notes, which is also the taste of summer. And then I also added goji berries because they're a superfood. They're very high in minerals and amino acids, and they help your immune system. They help all sorts of things. And then I also added wild roses because if you know my blends, you know I love my roses, and those open the heart and they're great for skin. So our beautiful apothecary jars are made out of violet glass, which keeps the tea fresh forever, and it makes the peach smell even better. So I use my lid and I drop it in the teapot, pour the water in. And so basically you can watch the leaves unfurl. It's so beautiful. You can steep it for 10 minutes, 20 minutes, as long as you want, really. You basically just get your ice. Imagine it's full. I use my bombilla. This is my favorite little straw. We now have them in rose gold. You can get these on the site. It's that simple. That's loose leaf iced tea. So good. Now I'm going to show you the other way. All right, so the box, the Magic Hour subscription box. If you have the pouch subscription, you'll get the pouch. You also get the tarot spread. You get the Queen of Cups tarot card, because you are the Queen of Cups. You get the Raise Your Vibration card. You get this gorgeous moon card. Set your intentions on the new moon, release things on the full moon. And then you get your beautiful little tarot cheat sheet, which is gorgeous. And you get a very practical thing. Not that tarot is not practical, because it is. You get these little things. These are your iced tea pouches. And if I'm gonna do a pitcher this size, I might do 2 capfuls, 2 apothecary jar capfuls. And you can make this as sun tea and actually just stick it in the sun. All of this is unbleached paper, and so it's totally safe for you, safe for the environment. You could let it steep for a little while, stick it in the fridge, or if you're making sun tea, I usually like to keep it in the sun for 3 or 4 hours, so a nice morning or afternoon. So now your tea is pretty well steeped, and you can see, you'll be able to see that the oolong has opened. So oolong has a really beautiful, it's a slightly rolled appearance. So tea that is visually pleasing is also good for your body, right? And you can't really get that in a tea bag. You have to be able to see the fruits of nature. So what I like to do too is I grow mint in my garden. So I'm going to put a sprig of mint in mine. And I'm also a lavender girl, and I grow a lot of lavender in my garden. And I'm going to pour the tea in. And if you want to add a little sugar, you can, or monk fruit, or stevia. But the tea is fairly sweet on its own. And remember, oolong is for weight loss, it's for clearing the liver, it is delicious, it's for speeding metabolism, and it gives you more clarity of mind. And then I use my bombilla as a straw. Oh my God, it's so good. Basically, Renewal is delicious on ice. It's great hot, but once you put it on ice, you will realize it is spectacular as an iced tea. And you can sip this all summer long and know that you are boosting your immune system, helping your metabolism, cleaning and clearing your liver, helping your digestion, and achieving a more healthful, balanced lifestyle, because our immunity is, as we've noticed, probably our wealth right now in this day and age. So enjoy your Renewal. It's a sip of summer, and you can sip it all summer long. So here's to your health. And if you would like more information, go to clubmagichour.com. Thank you so much.